Hello everyone, welcome to VK7 Tech. Today we're going to unbox and taking a look at one of the most affordable wireless mouse available on Flipkart for just under $300. And this is the Flipkart Smart Buy TC-M500. As you can see, the packaging looks so simple. You can see the branding over here, and we got a USB Type-C cable, which is pretty good, the mouse package, and the user manual, which everything is in Chinese and also English too. Well, this mouse is a Chinese rebranded OEM version. It's very easy to use. Well, you all already know. And here is our new mouse. First impression, the design is so slim. Well, it's an ergonomic design. This mouse weighs up to 70 grams. We have 4 clickable buttons, and the quality of buttons also good with silent clicks. Clickable scroll button too. We have DPI button. You can change in 3 different modes. I'll show you in this video. And coming to the main part, so here we have a USB dongle to connect mouse via 2.4 band and with Bluetooth support as well. Only 2 devices simultaneously with a switch. Now let's take this off. The USB 2.4 dongle. Let's turn it on to 2.4 band. Now it goes on pairing mode. Alright, it's connected. You can see the RGB edge effect around the mouse, which is really cool. The response is also fine. Now let's check out the DPI. It supports up to 1600 level. This is the first level at 800, second level at 1200, and 1600. But for most of the users, 1200 is balanced for PC laptops. It's all based on screen DPI size. Now let's also check the Bluetooth mode. It comes with Bluetooth 5.2 version. You can use this mouse in dual mode of both 2.4 and Bluetooth at a time on different systems wirelessly up to 10 meters of range. As you can see, it's working fine with good response. And also the clickable auto scroll button. It's smooth as usual. Now let's talk about battery. Yes, as they mentioned, this mouse lasts up to 50 hours of battery life. It's a rechargeable mouse, as this mouse comes with inbuilt 300 mAh battery, which is decent enough for everyday tasks. This mouse even goes to auto turn off mode when you're idle, which saves battery life. But there's no dedicated button to turn off RGB lights, unfortunately. And coming to gaming, yes, you can play casual games with this mouse. Please don't expect big esports titles with this mouse. Still, the response times are fine on while casual gaming and aiming. You can do editing and office work like it's an entry-level mouse. Still, it feels so comfortable and lightweight on hands. So overall, it's a great value for the price. I also have the Arctic mouse, using it almost for a year still now. Still, it's working really good. And if we compare these both are identical to each other, but with different design. Also, there are a couple of extra additional features on Arctic Fox One. And anyway, that's it for this video. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful gadgets and stuff. And also check the product link in description. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.